Detail here. In the shop today, we have a 1956 Corvette. This is actually the original paint job on this Corvette, which makes it extra special. This thing has been in this family since the beginning. So this is a super cool project to get to work on. This car was living in Fairbanks and was transported down, and unfortunately they shrink wrapped the car, and when they shrink wrapped the car wasn't prepped correctly for transport. The clear coat suffered a bunch of damage. What we're doing is going through a 3-stage paint correction process, which includes wet sanding, compounding, and polishing. The customer has elected not to do a ceramic coating on this one because they like to do the rock chip fills and stuff themselves. So that's easier if we don't have a ceramic coating on there. So it is getting a traditional coat of wax.